240 congressmen who signed for it, each representing their own district, already reflects a sizable number of the Philippine population who are calling for the impeachment of the Vice President. Yung mga unang tatlong impeachment complaints were signed basically by civil society and government figures, no? So anong clamor pa ba ang hinahanap natin? Kasi kung susundin natin yung mindset ng Senate, no, na dahil naka-recess, ibig sabihin ba yun, Tina, ang accountability ng public officials naka-recess din whenever naka-recess ang Congress?
Clamor is not the basis, no, for us to act on something that the Constitution mandates.
Tama na, sobra na, kumilos na, magkaisa, isabuhay ang tunay na diwa ng EDSA. Marcos singilin, Duterte panagutin, Sara litisin.
Napaka-urgent na aksyonan yung mga ganitong pananalitan. Napaka-urgent na panagutin yung mga ganitong pagbanta.
When the Constitution is self-executory and it says it must proceed forthwith, so the Senate must respond to that mandate of the Constitution. They can still meet, they can have 1 month or 2 months of trial, and then the trial can continue on with the new Senate afterwards. But they cannot excuse themselves.